So specifically in the engineers track, which is where I lecture, it is extremely hard to get points across over the internet. It's so easy to collaborate, but it's so hard to actually put thoughts together, and just the ability to point things on a screen and to go over things next to someone else makes that learning experience so much better, and actually makes it possible to do this whole course in the amount of time it is. Otherwise, we would be there for a couple of years trying to teach these students. But in this 1 month and a week, we have with the students, we can see them going from some of them no knowledge about blockchains to being able to build blockchains from scratch without even using the primitives we give them with in Substrate, but actually being able to take the core cryptographic primitives and build something with them.
Yeah, which is not a small feat. Like there's a lot to learn.